Okay, I want to show you how I create this birthday flyer. So I'm going to open my Pixellab to show you how I create this birthday flyer from scratch to finish. Okay, so this is my Pixellab right now. I'll delete the default text. So once I delete the default text, I can leave the background like this and click on this plus sign at the top. So this plus sign at the top, from here I can choose the background that I want to use. So here's the background that I want to use. So I'll import it and hold this edge, so I can now drag it to fill this background, this Pixellab background. Okay, the original background. So I'm going to drag it like this. So I'm dragging it now and I've covered the area. So I will lock it. Okay, for me locking this image, I will go to this place. You can see where I clicked down here. From here you can now select, you're good to go to color filters. You want to change the color. Now click on this color filters and drag from hue. Okay, you can see the changing of the color of the background. You can see it. So now I'm changing the color, you can see. So once you get the exact color like this, you check mark immediately. Okay, you see why I click the check mark. Okay, once you click on that check mark, okay, it'll be like this. Make sure you lock the background. Okay, now we are going to import the image of the lady. So click on from gallery. Here's the image of the lady. So I'm going to duplicate it. Copy. I copied it. You see why I click copy. So once you click on the copy, you duplicate the image and now resize it. You put this one this side. Once you put this one this side, you make it bolder. You can see it. Okay, after making it bolder, you can go ahead to the opacity. It's what we call opacity. Look at it here. You can see the opacity. This is what we call opacity. Make sure you are in this place. Make sure you are here so that you're able to see the properties of this image, so that you can change the opacity. Once you click on the opacity, you drag it down to reduce the brightness. You can see it, the opacity. So I'm reducing it. After reducing it, you check mark. Okay, and then you lock the image. Make sure you lock that image that you selected. You can see this one is the one I selected. Lock it. Once you lock it, bring this one to front by clicking here, by clicking at the top here. So you bring this other one to front and then you do it like this. Okay, once you position it like this, then you can now go ahead and do there's what we call you want to erase this part. Okay, you want to erase this part. This, we don't want this shape, I mean, for you to be showing the edge. So we want to do some things around that area. Okay, we click on this eraser tool. Okay, once we click on this eraser tool, you can see here, you can see this place. So this is the size of the eraser, and this is what the, okay, let me change it, let me check, you see it. Okay, this is the size, and then this one is what, this one, the blurriness, the blur radius. Okay, so I'm going to do what, increase the blur radius, reduce this one a little bit, and then erase from here. You can see it, what you are touching it, it will be erasing. So after erasing, you click on this check mark at the top, the check mark at the top, for you to save the changes. Okay, once you click on this, then it will be like this. Okay, then you go ahead and lock that image. We are not done yet, so we are going to add a flare, what we call lens flare, a light. Okay, so we'll click on this plus sign from gallery. I'll now select flare. Now I'm not going to put it like this. I'm going to the what we call the color filters. Remember the color filters. Okay, so this is the color filters. I'm going to click on it and then reduce the hue. You can see it. And once you reduce it, you're able to change the color. You can see it. I'm resizing it. Okay, you can see. Okay, after doing that, just make sure you position it well. Okay, you can now do ahead, lock everything. You lock it. After locking it, now we are going to add our text. Now click on this plus sign at the top and click on text. Now add your text. Okay, after adding your text, you can now do what? Resize. You can use your hand to hold the size and resize it, or you can go to the text, the A here. You can see the A. Once you select that A, now you go to what? Size. You can see the size. So from this size, you can now set the exact size you want. Okay, let's say the size is what? 79. Okay, now after doing that, you go to the fonts. Now from this font, you set the font style you want. Okay, and then go to color. From here, you change the color. Okay, then I put stroke. Okay, the stroke, the outline of the text, you can make it white. Okay, after doing that, you add another text. You want to type birthday. Make sure you do the same thing, the size. Okay, this was the font, birds of paradise. Okay, so this is the font style I choose. And then I'll go towards outline. The outline. Now I choose the outline color. Make sure the outline color matches the background. Okay, so after doing that, if it doesn't match, you can just go to the plus here, and then if you don't want to choose from here, just click on this place for the color picker. So pick color. Pick the color from the shades. Okay, or from the background. If you already save it, okay, just click on OK, and then from here you can still adjust the background color, the color of the text. Okay, you can see that. So okay, once after you do that, now you can go ahead, make sure the text are always at the center. You can see my alignment is in the center. Okay, relative position, go to relative position. From that A text, okay, put it in the center. The birthday, put it in the center. Now we are going to type the name of the lady. Okay. So I go to fonts. Now I go to my recent fonts that I used and choose the text style. Okay, so this is the text style, and now I resize it very well. Resize it, or even use the size and set it towards 79. So I don't want it to be big. Okay, make sure you set it back to that, or you can leave it, just make it okay. I'll use that this 79. You can see it. I can increase it a little bit. Okay, now go to color. I still go to color and set the color. Okay, the outline should be white. Okay, now you can go ahead and now add a shape down here. Now this shape, we're going to write something on it. When you click on that shape, from here you can choose the shape, any shape that you want. Okay, you go down, then you click on gradients. I already saved this. You see this style of the background that I choose for this shape. Okay, you can see it from here. Okay, let me show you that this place is transparent and this place is transparent. Only this place is white color. Okay, so now I will resize it very well. From here, I will now type my text. Go to the font and make sure you change the font to anyone. Okay, like this one now. I like using it. Okay, just lock this thing, the shape, lock that shape so that you not be moving, so that you're able to select the text very well. Okay, the date, the person is celebrating the birthday. Just reduce the size. Okay, click on the check mark. Okay, bring it down here. You can also rotate it from here. Look at rotate. Okay, you can rotate it from here. After doing that, you put it like this. Okay, you can also duplicate it. It's not a must, or just if you want to, put it another place, you can duplicate it like this. Okay, duplicate and put here. Alright, so this is how I was able to achieve that design, the design of the birthday flyer. Okay, I hope you like this and you enjoy this training. So please, I want you to design this for me. I also give you the resources with the images for you to design the similar stuff.